Certainly, here's a more refined presentation of the virtues for women, as described by Hazrat Maulana Saeed Ahmad Khan. 1. A woman's virtuous deeds hold greater value than those of even 70 saints. 2. The negative impact of a woman's wrongdoings is more significant than that of 1,000 men engaging in similar misdeeds. 3. The 2 rakas of prayer offered by a pregnant woman are more rewarding than 80 rakas offered by a non-pregnant woman. 4. Each drop of milk a mother provides to nourish her children brings her blessings from Allah, a divine gift for her nurturing care. 5. When a wife warmly welcomes and consoles her husband, who returns home worried, Allah rewards her with blessings akin to half the merits of jihad. 6. A mother who endures sleepless nights due to her crying child's needs is bestowed with blessings comparable to the act of freeing a slave. 7. When a husband and wife exchange loving gazes, Allah showers His mercy upon them, recognizing their bond. 8. A woman who supports her husband's endeavors is deserving of blessings from Allah. These virtues exemplify the profound spiritual impact of a woman's actions, her care for her family, and the love she nurtures within her relationships.